Hey, welcome back everyone to the brand new honest reaction video. This one is Patreon requested. It's for Veta Rose. Thank you so much for sponsoring it. Today we're going to be listening to the unit 1/3 of LOONA, and this one is called 51 Decibel, Rain 51 Decibel. That's the alternative title, and then 목소리, right? So it's like sound of rain or voice of rain. Right. 51 decibel. That's very quiet, if I remember correctly. That's like super quiet. Anyways, let's begin with this one now. But before we jump in, guys, make sure to check out my Patreon, where you can request a song or a video like this, and also check out more than 500 exclusive reaction videos to BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, Dreamcatcher, IU, Blackpink, live stages by these and many other groups, some LOONA live stages, and also, you know, groups like NCT, EXO, taemin, taeyeon, and many others. And then of course K-drama reactions like my Mr. Hotel de Luna, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Scarlet Heart, itzy, One Class, Squid Game, The Producers, and Goblin. So all of that is on my Patreon. The link is down below in the description. Alright, let's begin. No. Okay. By the way, I saw the first comment. It said they really nailed this 90s vibe. So I think this is the 90s vibe. Yeah. Seen that. Seen all of that. Well, yeah, this is really 90s. Even though I wasn't really alive during that time.
Always 언제나 내 곁에 있어준 너를 보면 벅차올라 그날 비가 참 많이도 내렸어 아직도 난 그때를 기억해 다가온 너였잖아 날 일으켜준 내렸던 비만큼 더 간절했잖아 소원이 있어 나 너에게 말할 거야 지금처럼 그렇게 있어달라고 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 날 수 있어 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈 지금 이대로 깨고 싶지 않은 우리들만의 꿈 너와 그리고 난 약속했지 첫 번째 손가락 걸고 나를 보며
What are these, news or something? It's like the rankings of the songs singing in the rain.
오늘부터
It's like,
우리에겐
and usually I guess it's stocks or prices on stocks and then maybe oil or something like that.
좋은 일들만 있을 거라고 저 멀리 내린
Eclipse.
별빛을 따라가다
Vivid.
맞잡은 우리 두 손 놓치게 되면 은하수를 건너서라도 만날 거야 두 번 다신 떨어지지 않을 거야 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 날 수 있어 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈 always 내 꿈 우리들만의 꿈
Cool. That was cute.
언제나 내 안에 가득한 넌 나의 우주야 우리
Okay. Well, yeah, this was pretty unusual. Right. Now this one has the lyrics, so I'll restart my camera as always and we'll continue. And okay. This, by the way, is the most played part. Probably because people rewinded the most during it. They wanted to see these, yeah, this. The hidden clips. Okay.
Always 언제나 내 곁에 있어준 너를 보면 벅차올라 그날 비가 참 많이도 내렸어 아직도 난 그때를 기억해 다가온 너였잖아 날 일으켜준 내렸던 비만큼 더 간절했잖아 소원이 있어 나 너에게 말할 거야 지금처럼 그렇게 있어달라고 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 갈 수 있어 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈 지금 이대로 깨고 싶지 않은 우리들만의 꿈 너와 그리고 난 약속했지 첫 번째 손가락 걸고 나를 보며 오늘부터 우리에겐 좋은 일들만 있을 거라고
It's so sweet. The song is so sweet.
저 멀리 내린 별빛을 따라가다 맞잡은 우리 두 손 놓치게 되면 은하수를 건너서라도 만날 거야 두 번 다신 떨어지지 않을 거야 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 갈 수 있어 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈 언제나 내 안에 가득한 넌 나의 우주야 우리 앞에 펼쳐진 세상이 신비로워 난 설레 매일 그대와 끝없는 꿈을 꿔 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 갈 수 있어 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈 지금 이대로 깨고 싶지 않은 우리들만의 꿈
Right. So this was 51 decibel. Righty. So with this one, for my taste personally, it didn't quite work, but I enjoyed it still. I'm not going to continue listening to it, but together with the video, it was definitely, I was smiling, you could see, right? Especially while reading the lyrics. It's just very, very sweet. It's so sweet and innocent. Also some parts in regards to their pronunciation, I found them very like cute and kind of addicting. So cool, right? That and also in the chorus, gosh, like that. So yeah, overall, yeah, just like I said, enjoyed the experience, but the song didn't quite work for me. About the music video, well, just like the comment said, it nailed the 90s style very uniquely. I think this is the most like this is the video that's leaning the most into this type of quality that I've seen so far. You know, right now retro is very, very popular, and many music videos do tend to lean towards that direction. Even from the older times, like videos from 2015, they still did the retro style, but this is like fully retro. This is retro all the way. Reminded me of what happened at the end of the video for Mago by G-Friend. It went full retro as well. So yeah, something like this for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you Vada Rose for sponsoring it, and catch you guys in the next video. As always, take care, keep listening to great music, and love.